New Wave Industries designs and manufactures PurClean Spot-Free Rinse systems and pure water recovery systems. The knowledge of water quality and intelligent water management practices are essential ingredients to operating a profitable quality car wash. Since 1983, New Wave Industries practices environmental stewardship through innovative engineering technologies and delivers precision quality equipment and engineering support. This makes New Wave Industries very green. Pure Water delivers results and dramatically reduces water and sewer cost while maintaining high-quality wash standards. What are the Pure Water benefits and how does Pure Water work? Small footprint, requires less space. Programmable logic controller, onboard software controls system functions. Variable frequency drive provides the system the ability to operate at a lower energy saving speed for day-to-day washing and ramp up to allow the operator to meet the peak demand wash days. Succession technology cyclones, physical treatment process producing high-quality 5-micron wash water, eliminates the antiquated costly bag or disposable filters. ETL listed. Pure Water recovery systems are designed specifically to meet the targeted wash sites such as touch-free and friction in-bay automatics, full-service exterior tunnels, or any combination. How does this work? As the dirty wash water falls down the drain, it enters the tank holding system. Water that is oily, dirty, and full of solids falls from the drain in the car wash into the holding tank. As the water progresses in the holding tanks, the oil rises to the top of the tank and some of the solids drop to the bottom. The water now enters the Pure Water system at the pump. Water is pushed into the cyclonic separator. The balance of the water solids spin down the separator and out the underflow line. Clean water goes to the recirculation line where it is joined by an ozone. From here, the clean water returns to the holding tank through the recirculation line. When a car wash occurs, the water is sent through the product water line and out to the wash. High-quality water is essential to the wash experience, and thinking and being green is essential to our high-quality business.